Sometimes you need hackers to help you avoid getting hacked.
Holy cow.
Google offered to pay as much as $1 million to anyone who could show vulnerabilities in its Chrome browser, and this week, a French team got $60,000 for doing just that. Compared to peers like Safari and Internet Explorer, Chrome has been a seemingly impenetrable web surfing fortress at Pwn, an annual security competition run by HP. This year, the browser is holding its own competition, Pwnium, during which a Russian university student exposed a weakness in Chrome's sandbox, which aims to protect users' offline computer information from online hacks. With contest entrants required to divulge their hacking process, you will likely see Chrome making further improvements to an already tight browser ship. Time to move on, Netscape Navigator holdouts.